Okay, this is the machine that we're working off of. Feel free and pause so you can actually see what it is. Flowster 320, 64-bit, Windows Developer Preview. Okay, that's all we need. Now, into the nuts and bolts. Looks very much like Windows 7 at this point. But when we come down here to start, it doesn't do start. It comes into the Metro UI. Now, apparently, I only saw how to move all this around, really, on the build conference. It's pretty easy enough. You can do a lot of that. I'm not sure that it can... Yeah, it looks like it's designed... Oh, wait. If I double-click quickly... Oh, just right. Okay. Change user tile. I guess a webcam. Oh, that's horrible. Ignore that. You never saw that. Home group, Windows Update, more settings. Now, some of these, if it can't actually go through this menu, it'll literally bump you back out to your standard control panel. Let's see if we can hit one of those. Tweeterama is in by default. That's interesting. Devices. There it is. So it took you right back out to the control panel. So everything here is pretty normal. If we go to devices, yeah, typical. Here's the very handy feature of an up, which is very nice. Typical so far. Some security. File history. BitLocker. Okay, they still have the Windows Experience Index, which doesn't really tell you anything other than you might need a new computer. Network. Straight to Device Manager. Just screen resolution, things of that nature. Hopefully y'all can see this. Okay. So in trying to find where those apps are, I couldn't really. But as we can see, this is now the new Explorer look. It's got some different features. So we've got tabs up here for what to do. It's very much based kind of off the Office 2007, 2010 style. So we've got essentially an updated ribbon. When we can also come up here, I believe, and customize the toolbar. So if we just start typing, like CMD, nothing happens. If we come over here, type CMD, nothing happens. Now if we do Control F, okay. So Control F, find. Of course, we're in Internet Explorer. Okay, if you're not selected on something already, it'll automatically bring up the your search feature. So if we do CMD, and if we do Shift-Enter, should run it as elevated privileges. But again, it bombed it all the way out, so there's not everything is configured to run within the Metro UI. But if you just start typing something, you should be able to see all sorts of things. So there's 3 different groups here: app settings, files. So most of those settings that we were looking through should be around here. Now, NFC is a big thing that they're trying to bring in. Not really that interesting, I don't think, for most of our purposes. And in another video, after I find it, I'm going to show you how to restore the machine back to a state that you've already pre-configured. So that should be a good one. In the meantime,